coming to you today from my living room in my Powerpuff Girl top. What is that bit there? Anyway, shop with me from Avon as my friend dropped one through the door. It would only be fair if I had a look through the book and maybe put an order in. So let's get started. Sweet little note here from my friend. Get started and have a look what they have to offer. Let's have a look inside. This is the primer I use. It's the Hydrating Magic's primer, £9.50. So I'll definitely be ordering some of that. We had a nice little intro there from the car, from the sat nav, thank you. Today I am going to Warwick to meet an old workmate who I see now and again, and so if I sit up a bit you'll see like my whole face. That would be better, wouldn't it? So yeah, I used to work with this lady and we got on really well. She's really, really lovely. And I actually see her regularly at the park room in Stratforduponavon. She is the mother of a fellow YouTuber, and she has actually been on a couple of his vlogs now, so that's really nice. But hopefully today I'll be able to grab some content and you'll be able to see the both of us, but on my channel this time. It's just not looking good. I literally don't know where I am. There's two entrances. There's this one here, which is on Bread and Meat Close. But there is one further down that I did text, ask if it's that one we was meant to be meeting at. I've texted her, I'm just waiting to see if she responds. Just walking along Warwick, and guess who I bumped into? Hello! So we're just strolling along. We've had a cake and a coffee, and now we're just going to have a look at the running shop. I've never been before, but Helen says it's quite good, so
Warwick
we're going to have a look.
Yeah.
Warwick. Never really walked around in Warwick before, so thanks Helen for showing me around. It was lovely, and now I'm on the way back to the racecourse car park, and I'm going to head home and get on with the rest of my day. This is where the Warwick Park run is, so I'm going to have a look into doing that because it sounds nice going there and back. You'll be able to not be lapped like you do at Stratford, but see people that come back past you, which sounds really nice. And I'm almost back to the car. Hi everyone, another scene with me in the car. I'm going today to meet two work friends, and we're going to be going on the River Avon in a canoe. I'm really excited, as you can see by the face, and I'll show you how it gets on. That's what this part of the vlog's going to be about. Yeah, check with you later. We've arrived at Fisherman's car park, and we're about to get all the things out of the boot. So here's all the stuff, and give us a wave. My other friend, give us a wave. and our canoe is moored. Is it called moored? Can't see it, can we? There. Lou, it's shut. It doesn't open till 12. I know. Hold it. Are you right with that job, or you prefer not to? I'll help you. I'll help you when Steph gets down. Can see this. This is for the vlog. Oh my god, look at these big ones here. Look at those. I bet they're not even.
Ooh, I wonder what they are.
Go next to the thing.
Yeah. Pull out one at a time, hold it into the side.
Okay. Happy sailing! Hi everybody, a different view today. I've just taken Kola for a swim in the river because it's boiling hot and he absolutely loves swimming. I put some videos in for you to have a look at, but I think this is a good place to finish the vlog. You've probably seen quite a few bits and bobs going on this week, and I'd like to thank you for watching another video, and I'll see you again soon.